Alright guys, this is the Keynote tutorial. I'm gonna be teaching you about how to use Keynote. So the first step is you go to search, and if you have Keynotes, then you can do that. But then you go to this and you press any of these. This is obviously the best one because it shows that your IQ is 8,000. Oh, the motorcycle's gone. So what you do is double tap to edit, and see, this is the only way to prove. You have to type in this exact letter, these exact letters, or else you're dumb. So, then you add in a motorcycle and you leave that alone, or else you'll die. To add another slide, you press this button, the plus button in the corner. So you have to slide up the motorcycle, and then you shrink the image, and then you switch it to, this one. And then you take the text box and you move it away off the screen, and then it's perfect, I know. What you want to do then is this, and then there you go, and then just keep adding slides and you'll win eventually. And then all you have to do is rename it to perfect. And then you press play, and then that's how you use Keynote. Yeah. Okay, end of video, bye.